We have a uke. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn, and today's video, y'all, I am so excited to announce that we are relaunching my signature ukulele in partnership with Leolani Ukulele today. It is live today. We sold out originally in the first version, and you guys have been wanting me to do another restock. So we decided, hey, let's do another restock of the signature uke. And if you're like,
Ricky, I didn't know that you had a signature uke.
well, now you do. It's awesome. I got to pick out the entire thing. This is literally my dream uke. It is Okoume wood. It is sort of a blue greenish finish on the wood. I got to pick out every aspect of this uke. Everything about this is my dream uke. So if you've been thinking like, hey, I want a blue uke, I want an awesome uke, here you go. She's here. So this is the original version, and y'all have been asking for a super glossy version, and honestly, I would love that as well. So I went to the Leolani team and I was like, hey, can we do a super glossy version? And they said,
yes, we can.
And today we are launching the Signature Ukulele 2.0, which is the super glossy version of this one right here. So just imagine this, super shiny, and guess what? You don't have to imagine, because we got some B-roll. Y'all, I am so excited to not only relaunch the Signature OG uke, but also the 2.0 version, which is the super glossy version. Both versions will be available now, literally now as the video goes live. You can go to the Leolani Ukulele website and get the Signature uke. They're going to be a limited amount, so make sure to grab yours if you do want to go get it. And again, it is a Okoume wood. It is sort of a bluish green finish, and everything is custom on this uke to what I designed it to. So on the 12th fret, you have the RS logo with mother inlay of pearl, and then also just an amazing, it sounds amazing, it looks amazing. I just want to kiss it. I just literally want to kiss it and stare at it. But links for that will be down below. Again, two versions, the tuxedo finish, which is the original finish, and then the super glossy finish, which is the 2.0 finish. And don't forget to use code Ricky10 to save $10 off your entire purchase. It's basically free money. They're giving it to you, so you might as well use it. Again, use code Ricky10 at checkout when you shop their ukes or the signature uke, which you definitely should. But thank you so much for watching. This is surreal. I'm probably gonna cry off camera once I hit the stop record button. But I mean, y'all, the Potato Squad. The Potato Squad is strong. I can't thank you enough. You guys have changed my life. You don't even know it. Truly, you've changed my life, and I'm gonna cry. But I just want to say thank you, and I'm so excited to see you guys play my signature ukulele. If you have my signature uke already from the previous launch, make sure to tag me on Instagram, Twitter. Just tag me playing the uke on YouTube. Also, if you get the new version, the super glossy version, again, make sure to tag me on all the social medias. Also, if you want to play on YouTube, make sure to tag me in your videos, and I will watch them and I will share them. Maybe we'll do like a reacting video to people playing my signature uke, which would be a great video, by the way. So if you do have a uke, film yourself playing the uke. If you don't have it and you're gonna get it, film yourself playing it when you get it, and we'll do like an awesome collab of everybody playing the signature uke on the YouTubes. Maybe for 100K? I don't know. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. I love you. Listen to me. I want to hold you. I love you. I appreciate you. You are always welcome here on this channel. And if nobody said this today, I love you and I appreciate you. So hopefully you stick around. I don't know, subscribe, do all the YouTube-y stuff, and I will see you in my next video. I love ya. I hate to leave ya, but I'll see ya in my next video. Bye.